Hide unaesthetic areas of your home with TikTok's Smart IKEA Cabinet idea. August 19, 2024, 9:30 p.m. EST. The toy Shutterstock. While your home's utilities are essential for keeping the place running properly, a poorly located unit or control panel can be hard on the eyes. Annoyingly, relocating utilities can be outrageously expensive or sometimes even impossible to do. Renters, we see you. So what do you do when you are stuck staring at an ugly electrical panel, water shut off, or other unsightly necessity? Turn to TikTok for an extremely clever yet simple solution for hiding those eyesore utilities in your home. Advertisement. The premise of user ad ILO Decorations TikTok video is simple. Use an IKEA cabinet with a modified, or removed, back panel to sneakily surround and cover your ugly utilities. In her case, a control box for underfloor heating. You will maintain easy access within the cabinet and can always quickly move it out of the way in case the utility needs to be serviced or in the event of a move, so it can be renter-friendly. While you should stay away from blocking HVAC utilities like wall heaters or air returns, this hack should work like a charm for plenty of other unsightly utilities, such as hiding a water heater, with proper ventilation of course, or disguising unsightly washing machine hookups. So, grab your tape measure and head to IKEA to say goodbye to those pesky yet essential unaesthetic areas of your home in just one step. Advertisement. How to use an IKEA cabinet to cover an ugly utility. To cover your utility eyesore, measure the dimensions of the unit, keeping in mind that the baseboard may need to be removed for a flush installation if the cabinet doesn't have a notch tall enough to accommodate